Are you feeling overlooked? Do you find that girls hardly notice you or that no one seems to respect your presence? If so, this video is crafted just for you. Imagine having the power to make everyone around you fall for your charm. Whether you're eager to forge new friendships, impress that one special person, or simply elevate your charisma, I have the secrets that can change everything for you. But wait, stick around until the end. The final tip transformed my life, and I've even got a bonus tip to share, so don't miss out. 1. Embrace confidence. First and foremost, confidence is your best friend. Picture this. You walk into a room brimming with people, and who do you think stands out? It's usually the one radiating confidence. This quality not only showcases your self-belief, it's downright magnetic. Think about someone like Emma Watson. She lights up every room she enters, whether on the red carpet or addressing the UN. You can ignite your confidence by starting a daily routine of positive self-talk. Look into the mirror every morning and declare, "I am capable, I am strong, and I can connect with anyone." This simple habit can radically shift your self-perception. 2. Become an active listener. Have you ever tried talking to someone only to feel completely ignored? It's disheartening, isn't it? People crave recognition and love to feel heard. Reflect on a time when a friend opened up about something meaningful. Did you engage with eye contact and nod along? That's called active listening. When someone speaks, give them your full attention. Ask thoughtful follow-up questions like, "How did that make you feel?" Or, "What happened next?" This level of engagement demonstrates genuine interest, making the other person feel valued and fostering a deeper connection. Before we dive into the next tip, why not drop a like on this video? And if you haven't subscribed yet, now's your chance. You won't find insights like these anywhere else. 3. Explore common interests. Next, let's discuss the magic of shared passions. Finding common ground can spark instant connections. Imagine meeting someone who adores singing just like you. You might casually ask, "What's your favorite song?" This simple conversation starter opens a world of engaging dialogue centered around a mutual interest. Dive into topics like music, movies, or books. Discovering shared passions will make your conversations flow effortlessly and create lasting memories. Want to connect with others in a meaningful way? Here are some tips that can transform your interactions from ordinary to extraordinary. 1. Show kindness and empathy. A simple act of kindness can make a world of difference. Picture this. You're at a coffee shop and you see someone struggling with their drinks. When you offer assistance, you're not just being nice, you might ignite a conversation. Imagine saying, "Let me help you with that." After lending a hand, you could dive into a chat about your favorite coffee blends or their day. This minor gesture not only boosts your mood, but signals to others that you genuinely care, opening the door for connection. 2. Embrace humor. Laughter is a powerful tool that can win hearts. Think of a time you faced a hilarious kitchen disaster while trying to bake a cake. You might say, "I tried to make a chocolate cake, but it ended up looking like a volcano." Sharing funny stories can inspire light-hearted banter, making you more approachable and enjoyable to be around. 3. Be authentic. Authenticity is key. People can sense when someone is putting on a front. Just look at someone like Dwayne Johnson, The Rock. He's admired for being unapologetically himself. By sharing your journey, struggles, and unique quirks, you draw people in. Whether you're a comic book collector or a classic movie quote aficionado, the more you embrace your true self, the stronger your connections will be. 4. Dress to impress. First impressions matter, and your appearance plays a significant role. Think of confident individuals. They often dress well and carry themselves with pride. You don't need to follow the latest trends, but wearing clothes that flatter you and reflect your style can enhance your confidence and how others perceive you. So, whether your vibe is casual chic or a bit quirky, wear it with pride. 5. Leave them wanting more. Now, here's the ultimate secret tip. To keep people intrigued, create a little mystery about yourself. Instead of revealing your entire life story in one go, share bits and pieces over time. If someone asks about your hobbies, tell them a few interesting tidbits, but save the juicier details for next time. For example, if you love to travel, mention a stunning destination you visited recently, but hold back the captivating stories for the next conversation. This intrigue keeps people curious and wanting to know more. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more insights on leveling up your social game. Share your experiences or any tips you have in the comments below. Let's create a supportive community together. See you soon.